Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make this delicious and favorite of all chicken starter, and that is our chicken lollipop. This is super tasty and very juicy. Let's see the ingredients. You need some chicken, soy sauce, ginger garlic, red chili powder, all-purpose flour, corn flour, tomato sauce and some chili sauce. First take the chicken lollipop pieces. Take that into a large bowl and marinate it with some soy sauce, salt, pepper powder, crushed garlic, crushed ginger and some red chili powder. Mix it really well so that all the chicken pieces are well coated with the spices. Now keep it aside for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, let's prepare a batter with corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt and red chili powder. Mix it and add some water little by little so that we get a smooth batter, and it should not be too loose. A dripping consistency will be fine. Now the batter is ready and chicken is also ready. Let's heat some oil to fry it. Once the oil is heated, dip each chicken pieces in the batter and fry it. The flame should be from medium to low. Cook both the sides until it turns beautiful golden brown color. Now our chicken is also ready. You can serve this right away like this, but I felt this bit dry. So I took one step further and made a sauce and coated these chickens in that. So let's heat some oil, add crushed garlic and saute it. Add some soy sauce, tomato sauce and red chili sauce. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Now dump in all the chicken pieces and give it a good toss. Now all the chicken pieces are well coated with the sauce. See the beautiful shine it got, and it looks very juicy. You can serve these chicken pieces with some tomato ketchup. And when we say about chicken lollipop, the first thing comes to our mind is the bone covered with the silver foil. So take some silver foil pieces and cover the bone with that so that it'll be easy for you to hold the chicken and enjoy it. Now our chicken lollipop is ready. The final coating with the sauce makes it more shiny and tasty and delicious. So do try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot. Watch more videos from our channel and do follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+.